The
Me
temperatures today,
too.
I love the temperatures today just because the weather's going to be messy. It will be wet and windy, and just with the snow melt, it's just going to have messy weather across central Indiana. Live look at Carmel this morning at Chris Kendall Market. 43 is the temperature in Carmel at this hour. We're at 42 at the airport. Breeze out of the southeast, 6 miles per hour. Winds are out of the southeast for today, 5 to 15 miles per hour, but we are going to have stronger winds by midday and for the afternoon. Even a chance of having wind gusts nearing 45 miles per hour ahead of an approaching cold front. 46 is the temperature in Lafayette. It is 50 Terre Haute, 48 degrees in Bloomington. And with the breeze in place, it does feel even colder outside. We do have wind chill values in the 30s, dropping down to 34. That's what it feels like in Kokomo at this hour. Have been tracking some showers, very light rainfall in our southwestern counties from Sullivan to Terre Haute and also within Park County. This is getting closer to the Greencastle area. What we're experiencing now, very light rainfall, but you will want to have the rain gear because the coverage is going to rise much more for the afternoon as this storm system gets closer to the Great Lakes and central Indiana. You can see all the active weather alerts, including winter weather advisories, blizzard warning for North Dakota, along with high wind warnings through the plains and wind advisories into northwestern Illinois. Here's the storm system. This low pressure feature is going to track east and bring us the active weather for today. Here's a look at the timing with our futurecast. This is right around 12:30, and we have widely scattered showers at that time. Notice that the coverage does rise much more for the afternoon. There's even a thin line of heavy downpours setting up ahead of the cold front. This is when we're going to have the strongest wind gusts and also a chance for some rumbles of thunder before the colder air arrives. Any lingering rainfall for this evening, rain turning over to a wintry mix, and then we could have a few flurries heading into the overnight. With that sharp drop in temperatures on the way, could have a few slick spots overnight and into early tomorrow morning for the rush hour. And here's a look at the futurecast for rainfall amounts. Most spots up to a ½ an inch, but we could have some areas, isolated locations that could see up to 3/4 of an inch. This afternoon, rising to 54 degrees, and we will have strong winds out of the south-southwest today, gusts nearing 45 miles per hour. And then for the evening, rainfall transitioning to a wintry mix, 38 at 11 p.m. with our low tonight dropping into the lower 20s and upper teens. It will stay breezy overnight with winds out of the west, and then tomorrow decreasing cloud cover with our high at 29 degrees. And we are looking dry for tomorrow. Once we get to Saturday, back into the 40s, 47 for the high Saturday to 37 Sunday. On Monday, we'll have a high near 43 degrees, near 50 on Tuesday with a rain chance, and then 48 next Wednesday for Christmas Eve. Now here's a look at morning sports.